Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to deal with this error here that says your device date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again. And of course it's a WhatsApp error, and it happens of course because your time is incorrect. So it's related to WhatsApp, and of course let me show you exactly. You will only know it's a WhatsApp error because it says WhatsApp error. It shows an exclamation. And of course, what it's saying is that the time on your device is wrong. All right. So whenever your time is wrong, what's happening is that it cannot sync with online servers. So it's unable to actually work. It can also affect the internet whenever the time and date is wrong. So if you find as well that you don't have any internet, that could be the cause. All right. So in order to fix this particular problem, this is what you do. So you're going to go in your device. You're going to search for your settings. So go ahead and find the gear icon. If you don't have the gear icon, you can always swipe down from the top here and tap on the gear icon right there. All right, this will bring you to your settings. Now, if I'm remembering right, on most Android devices, it is under general for the time and date. So you're going to search for general. And the thing about this area, it doesn't really tell you where to go. So it might give you a little problems, especially if you do not know the Android system. Sorry about that. All right, so in case you can't find it, go ahead and search here for time and date. All right, so here it's called general management instead of general. On this particular device, on yours it might be called general management. All right, here you go. It says date and time. You can always search for date and time or time and date. You're gonna go ahead and tap. All right, and here we go. It says automatically set date and time. Now, of course, it should automatically work whenever this is set. However, depending on the situation, your time zone might be wrong and it's updating the wrong time. So in this case, make sure that your time zone is correct. All right, so it says automatic time zone. You can always turn this off and search for your right time zone and then set things all right. Or of course you can turn off automatic, which is the best option, and set the date and time manually. Now today it's saying it's August 1st, 2025. Now this is wrong because we're in 2026. So you see the problem. And it says 6 p.m. It's not 6 p.m. now. All right, so let me check the time and date. As the time of making this video, it is actually March. So we're going to come here. We're going to tap, make sure it goes to 2026. So we're going to change this to 2026. And it's March. And today is the 25th, according to the time of this video. So I'm going to go to the 25th. I'm going to hit done. All right, and the time now is 9:34 a.m. So it's 9:34 a.m. All right, I'm gonna say 35 just to make it a.m. and it done. All right, so now that you hit done, what's gonna happen here is that it is going to use this time and it's now set. And I'm going to exit. I'm going to make sure it takes. So if you go in the notification area here, you'll see the time 9:35 Wednesday, March. And of course, I did not clear the error and now the error is gone. So especially if you go online, WhatsApp should now work and that error is going to be gone. Plus, you'll be able to go online because in some cases, because of the error, you will not be able to go online. All right. So hope this was helpful in fixing this problem and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.